So guys, and welcome to this video. Today's video is on a brand new project, and guys, I'm really excited to show you this because this is about the TRON network. So before we get into this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, leave a like, to me an absolute world, and yeah, let's get straight into this video. So this project is called USwap. So this is an exchange slash staking liquidity, basically like PancakeSwap, but for the TRON ecosystem. And we don't really see many TRON ecosystem projects because it's quite new and it's getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's getting more and more traction. And I love TRON. I've been holding TRON for a very long time, and trust me, TRON is going up and up and up, and it's only getting bigger. So you guys can do the basics essentials of basically swapping your token. So here's TRON, you can choose all the different ones, and I can go TRON to, say, let's go for the standard one, Bitcoin. So I can transfer my TRON. So at the moment, TRON is sitting around about 9 cents a coin. So guys, it's still very cheap. This is the current price. It's just going up and up and up. The market cap isn't even that big either. It's only sitting about 6 billion. So there's still room to move, but this is getting big. We've seen this with Solana, and never know, TRON could do the same. But yeah, so let's just say we're going to have 90 TRONs. There you go, it'll be 0.000. This is just the basic essential of what you can do with the exchange bit. But we can also head over to the assets. One thing cool about this project is the NFTs, and NFTs are huge. NFTs are the reason why Solana exploded, but these are NFTs on the USwap exchange. So here are the TRON punks. You get base TRON, basically all different types, but TRON. So rather than obviously being on the Ethereum blockchain, you have TRON's very own CryptoPunks. So we can just go onto here and see all the different ones. You can bid, there's auctions. You guys can basically hold your very own TRON NFTs. And with the TRON NFTs, they're going to only get bigger and bigger, only because it's very new. And we saw this with Solana, we saw this with Ethereum. When the first ones came out on the Ethereum blockchain, it wasn't that expensive, and then it grew so much. And as TRON is very new to this, this could basically easily 50x, 100x, 1000x. You can make millions in the future. Who knows what happens? People are bidding already. So they're only bidding at 15.2 UME, but you can bid whatever you guys like. So if I go over to the auction or the NFT market, scroll down here, this is 1,500 TRONs. So if you guys want to hold that and have that as your base profile, whatever, that costs 1,500 TRONs. And if you guys want to know how much that is, let's have a little look here. That's only $144. And also the gas fees won't be as expensive as they were on the Ethereum blockchain. So this is really good. And I've always wanted to have a Bored Ape. I've always wanted to have an ape, to be fair. So technically, I actually might buy myself as well. So I might have a little search and then see what I can get, just to hold for the long term, just to see what happens. And you never know, I could be very lucky and get a really good one and end up gaining a lot of money in the future, because it's worth the punt. And NFTs are going up and up. And if we see Solana going up 20 times, don't forget guys, it started on $20 and now it's at 200. It did drop down a little bit, but that's because the NFTs. Who knows, TRON could be the next big thing. So this is a really good exchange to use. So also with USwap, they have staking as well. So I have connected my wallet right there in the top corner. You've got to use the TRON wallet, so I can then stake. I can also have a look at different ones. I can stake on USwap and see what ones I want to do. So this is what I can do. So if I put USDG, I end up getting UME, and I get 156% APY. I can even get Dogecoin right here. So I can put Dogecoin and I'll get UME. So this is basically USwap's very own token. So this is how it looks right now. So the APR, failed payments, so there's a staking fee, and this is how it looks. So you can press stake and type in how much Doge you want to put in. So this is really cool, and you guys can make a lot of money just from doing this. So basically guys, this is almost like passive income. So you can buy a chicken and basically it will lay you UME eggs every so often. So I like the look of this. I do really like the look of this. Basically gets you an APY of 170%. So basically you can collect these chickens and they can basically earn you free money. Basically UME, which is basically USwap's own tokens. But look how cool this looks. So it can die, you can resurrect it, but you just need to make sure you feed it. And you feed it with TRX tokens sometimes. But this is such a cool way of passive income. I like this. A lot of people will like this as well. A lottery trap as well. An egg laid. Imagine if egg laid, that'd be really cool. So if you guys did want to buy a chicken UME coop, You then have to pay 500 TRX to buy it. So if I could just press buy here, at the moment I haven't got the funds right now, so I could end up getting it. But 500 TRX is only around about $50, so you guys can be earning passive income, and there's an APY of 170%, so that is absolutely huge, and that is only just on this platform. You won't see it anywhere else. You can also buy corn as well, which you can feed obviously your chicken and harvest and make passive income as well. You can do popcorn production as well, so you can rent a popcorn machine. I like how this looks. This is really, really cool. It's so interactive, it makes it fun. So this is a phone right here, it looks right here. 500 TRX, you can earn 393% APR. That's absolutely huge, guys. So yeah, I really like the look of this. I definitely will use this myself, just because I like the way it's laid out. The navigation just looks really cool, and just, you know, it's interactability. That's what people want. So you can also do liquidity as well, so you can add liquidity to whatever project you want to do. There's all different ones here. You can add the liquidity, and it's just a different way of staking, kind of almost. So the IDO, we'll go through the IDO. So this is the initial DEX offering. So you can participate and buy new tokens with a unique and new token safe model. IDO listing offers you access to projects before they go public. So you can obviously then have a look at what ones have ended. These ones have ended, so Cool, Lorry, Loom, all the ones have ended. But if you look at the active ones, you can get in very, very early, basically pre-sale tokens, and you can get on there very early and possibly profit once they actually do get listed. So more than likely, you will profit. You do profit on pre-sales, and by this project offering initial DEX offerings, you guys can make a lot of profit just from scanning and finding out the most recent projects happening. So there'll be a new vote on the 15th/09, which has happened all the way to the 17th/09. So this is already done already, but you can also have dark mode as well. So if you guys are struggling to see it white, you can see it in dark mode. But we'll head over to the lights paper. So this is the white paper. There's 9 pages long, so it's not actually that long, which is really, really good. So let's scroll. So this is just the index page. So the introduction to the USwap DEX. So USwap is a modified and improved version of the Uniswap version 2 project, launched on the TRON network by the USwap team. DeFi is constantly evolving, and according to qualitative data, users today prefer to place their trust in decentralized platforms rather than centralized exchanges and dApps, which pose challenges such as security and hacking. DeFi is the fastest growing industry on blockchain, and we are only at the beginning. USwap is unique and differs from the other DEX projects, as it offers not only an exchange/swap to use, but also the first IDO launchpad on TRON for third-party developers and their project, as well as the first public NFT marketplace on TRON. This is what I love about the project. USwap DEX is an ecosystem in itself, and are simplifying the world of DeFi with games, so GameFi, that appeals to the masses. USwap aims to protect and ensure the safety and security to its users and brings back the trust for DEX token projects on the TRON network. USwap's mission is to be the leading DEX for the people. We have designed a decentralized exchange with our users in mind, with the phrase "simplicity is the ultimate sophistication." We present to you the USwap DEX. So what is USwap DEX? So USwap is the leading decentralized exchange powered by the TRON network, a simple exchange solution with intuitive UI that is easy to understand and use. It is a smart contract based, verified, audited code, and is completed safe as a result. So basically, guys, this company has had multiple audits. They've had over 2 audits right here, one there, and the white paper, it shows it has been certified by Slow Mist team. 0.3% of the exchange token fees are distributed amongst liquidity providers to incentivize participants on providing liquidity to the USwap exchange. So what is the UME token? At the heart of USwap ecosystem lies the UME token, the proprietary governance token of the USwap DEX, giving our clients various options of generating revenue. Additionally, UME will be used for future projects and entry into IDO pre-sales of new token projects launching through USwap. The UME raised in IDO pre-sales will be used for locked liquidity as burn of the UME, creating a deflationary model over long term. UME is a gateway token for all USwap services and upcoming features. This token has been designed to give holders maximum value with an array of use cases. Both current and future holders will appreciate this value, which is outlined below. So the UME is a limited supply of only 23 million tokens. This is really, really good. So this is very, very low, meaning the price will go higher and higher and higher. and it will only decrease through burning features through the RDO launchpad. The UME emissions rate mining speed is adjustable and adjusted according to market requirements and demands. There is no set date for farming completion. 100% of the supply will be mined over time, released through mining pools, and no tokens were reversed for the team members, which simply means even USwap team must obtain UME through mining. So basically it's really fair. No one has an advantage. Everyone has a good opportunity, and I like that as a burning feature as well, meaning the supply gets lower and the price goes higher. So critical to have access to all feature RDO projects on sale, essential for access to a number of USwap DeFi services, multi-use cases for farming, governance, voting, RDO participation and gaming, etc. Exclusive benefits for holders through USwap DEX, utility use case in upcoming USwap mobile gaming. So the statistics and figures. So below represents the most recent figures, so December 2020, recorded on our database for our statistical, analyst and external resources. Figures 1 and 2 represent the overall users transactions and total volume since launch to date. The growth has been phenomenal in only 30 days. We project substantial further growth in the coming months. So this is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and with this project coming into play, this is only going to help Tron, and the price is going to go up, and obviously UME is going to go up as well. So the UME Finance is our official farm portal for the perpetually governance token UME on the USwap DEX. Users are able to stake a number of LP tokens provided by the USwap DEX when providing liquidity to selected pairs, effectively earning UME proportionately to value staked. Two assets are required in equal amounts of 50-50 to add liquidity to USwap and to begin staking the LP tokens at UME Finance. There's obviously the staking fees. I've told you about this already, guys. This is what it looks like already. Conclusions. So USwap and UME together as part of the USwap ecosystem promises to be a game changer in the DeFi space. The release of the USwap DEX on the USwap farmland, the RDO launchpad and that NFT marketplace, all integrated in the USwap platform, is a unique concept never seen before. It drives multiple communities together and utilises the services USwap offers. This builds demand for the ecosystem services, and the concept will drive the demand for the UME token. While UME will have no intrinsic value, the value lies in the potential profits and revenue that will be generated by the USwap ecosystem. So this is the white paper. It does look very good. It looks so good. If I just read a bit through here. So USwap is also the first NFT marketplace on Tron, as well as the first RDO launchpad, and then we have their very own DeFi games for beginners, etc. So USwap is a multiple services creating ecosystem itself. The main focus of USwap is to show how Tron is gaining a lot of momentum, and the low cost and transaction fee is very appealing to both the buyer and seller, and this is what the main driving force is, that it's on the Tron blockchain, meaning it's cheap and that there isn't massive gas fees. So if we read through this Medium article, this is the USwap NFT marketplace. So the USwap NFT marketplace is after 2 months in beta, now going into alpha mode, an upgraded and improved version. So this is what it looks like. It's getting a lot of traction. A lot of people are buying from this. A lot of people are bidding and auctioning their very own artwork. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this. I'm going to definitely put some more money onto my Tron account and buy an NFT, because I want to have my very own Tron NFT. Never know, it could be worth thousands, let alone millions in the next few years. There will be a new interface upgraded on the 23rd of September. So yeah, but just look at how cool these NFTs look, and imagine this as your profile picture, and you can buy these straight away on the USwap exchange. Just press onto the NFT and here it is. Make sure you have your Tron wallet connected, and it'll be very easy. You just literally press on here and you just make an offer. So you never know, guys, you could make a very nice profit by buying it early, or just straight away just buying it straight off. So guys, this is USwap. I'm so excited for this. It's such a really good project. Links will all be down below in the description. They have their Telegram with over around about 12,000, almost 13,000 members. So it is gaining traction very fast. So guys, if you want to get involved, definitely head over to this website. All links down below in the description. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. This is USwap, and I really am happy to show you guys this, because I'm definitely going to be using this, and Tron is definitely the future. So guys, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, and yeah, peace out people. See ya. Bye.